What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I'm Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And we just went out the other night for a tasty barbecue dinner. We went to a local place called Salty Joe's, and it was a really cool atmosphere. Talk about Louisiana vibes.
And we ordered a lot of food. Our eyes are definitely bigger than our stomachs.
Yeah. It was so good. We tried to finish it all.
But we get to enjoy it again. So today, we're really excited because we're going to use our leftovers and we're going to make cheesy pulled pork fries.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Welcome back to Destination Delicious. As you know, we travel the country cooking wonderful meals for you, and right now we're hanging out in Louisiana. Just got this awesome pulled pork leftovers, getting ready to get that on the griddle. We've been cooking our frozen fries on the griddle now for a long time, and you've like mastered.
Yep.
So it's like low and slow, right? Low and slow.
It's like good barbecue.
Yep. So we're gonna get those down, and then salt. We like a lot of salt on our fries, so we're gonna be sure to salt those down. While our fries are cooking, I am going to get our cheese shredded and then cut up some of our jalapenos. We all love cheese. I especially love cheese, so the cheesier the better for me. And now I'm gonna slice up our jalapeno.
Now it's time to put our fixins on. Yes, put our fries together.
Yeah, so we're gonna layer them up. We're gonna put the pork on the fries, get our cheese and our jalapenos on, and let that cook up a little bit.
Yeah, let all that cheese get melty and gooey. All right, everything's hot and ready. I think it's time to plate these up and get them sauced.
All right, sounds good.
All right, to top our pulled pork fries up, I'm gonna use Stubbs Hickory Bourbon barbecue sauce. Just gonna give it a windy drizzle. And because we're in Louisiana, I'm gonna kick it up a little bit with some Crystal hot sauce. All right, I'm pretty excited for this. It's always good when you can get multiple meals out of one meal. So using leftovers is
And this pretty much is a meal for us.
Oh yeah.
There's so much here, but it smells amazing, and I'm ready to dive in and check it out.
Let's give it a try. It's gonna be messy.
Oh yeah,
sure.
I mean,
Not.
I mean, it's finger food, right? You just get on in there and
trying to get a little bit of everything. Oh my goodness, that's too much. That pork is so good. It's juicy. The fries are crispy. Jalapenos are crunchy. Got a little heat to them.
Good. My bite was huge. I can't even talk. This is delicious. The pork, like you said, so tender, so fresh.
Yeah, that was...
This is a great, great recipe. And the more you add, the more you have to share. So it could be great for entertaining, for Sunday Fundays, all kinds of things. But we're gonna use this as lunch.
For sure. and maybe into dinner.
Yeah. Until next time, thank you for watching. We always appreciate you tuning in.
Make sure you check out blackstoneproducts.com for all things Blackstone. Subscribe and hit that bell on the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the great videos from any of the great cooks.
Like Todd, Nate, CJ, Betty, Bruce, Matt, and us.
And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious from Louisiana, and we will see you down the road.